Okay, guys. I promised you I would be doing a um a review on Mageia, Mageia, and this is the video. First off, on USB install, first off, on the internet, I found out that it's not advisable to do so because it's not going to work. Bloody hell. And booting off of this live version actually did work pretty well, and but it just wouldn't download right. Like, I think the OS itself did actually download pretty good the first few dozen times I did it, but the biggest problem was do not pick Lilo in the for bootload on the boot options on the install. It's just not going to work right. I had to choose Grub 2, and even that I had to do a few times just to get it on my system. Start up, boot up, whatever you want to call it. That itself is kind of slow also, but meh. And slow, yeah. The original thing I went with was Genome. I'm not sure if it's just me on my computer. I'm not sure if other people have the same issue, but for me, considering it is supposed to be aimed at the average audience, supposed to be a very user-friendly operating system, OS, for me, Genome had some problems. One of them was trying to log out, just logging out. You can't really do that. I mean, like, the few times that I needed to log out ended up being a system reboot or something of that nature. I think it did log out a few times for me, though, so when you're trying with Genome, when you want to log out, reboot, you needed a password. I don't know why that was. Another thing was when I downloaded the LXD. Is that right? LXDE? When I downloaded LXDE, the desktop environment, it is. In the first part, it was slow. Like, apparently, when you download it, you have to download it, and then after you download it, you have to go back into it and download more files. I don't know why, but apparently, like, there's like a package that says LXD, and you download it, and then you boot into it, and it's missing features. Like, I couldn't open up the Windows managers and stuff. I had to go back in and download a whole bunch of random packages, and I wasn't even sure what the bloody hell I was downloading. I just downloaded anything that had the LXDE label on it because I wanted my OS to function in LXDE because Genome was buggy. And again, this is supposed to be targeted towards the average user, and it was bloody ridiculous. I mean, like, Jesus. Another weird thing is when you can get it to log out, LXDE or Genome, whatever, it has this weird screen before the Windows Manager pops up, and it's like, it says like a few things on it, and it's just like a black screen, like the boot up screen you would see with all that random numbers and stuff, just displayed for your convenience, and that's like there for 2 seconds. I mean, like, almost every other OS I've used, Ubuntu, Zoran OS, Mandriver, I mean not Mandriver, the other admin on this page, he loves it. It's even on the bloody banner. Even that, which was in fucking beta, didn't have that. You fucking logged out, It went straight to the logout menu. Meh. What else? What else? What else? Oh yeah, I'm a gamer. I love gaming. I spent like 3 or 4 days trying to download Xenos. Couldn't find it anywhere. Finally had to use SNES. It's a decent emulator, but I like Xenos. It's fucking beautiful. It has a bunch of functions. It's nice. It has. I also tried to find a few Nintendo Entertainment System emulators, and I could not, for the life of me, locate any of them online. It was ridiculous. If I wanted to oh, fucking hell. Noob mistake, whatever. If I wanted to download, let's say, I wanted to download something like video capturing software, it's going to be hit or miss if you're going to try to download anything for this bloody thing. I mean, considering that the packages are all PM, mostly, I do not understand why I can't find half of this crap. I mean, it's ridiculous. I mean, like, I must have tried to download at least like 5, 6, 7 different objects, and I couldn't find them anywhere on the web. Problems I have, if I have any problems, I'm afraid of what I'll find, because it looks like the forms and all that just not there. I mean, like, for an OS that's supposed to be A, user-friendly, B, one of the more popular forks of a very, very popular, very much loved OS, Mageia, or whatever the heck it's called, pronounced, whatever. I don't understand. Oh, fucking hell. I don't understand why there's hardly any community crap for it. I mean, like, it's ridiculous. Trying to find stuff that's not there, non-existent, and yes, I am ignoring my camera problems as I speak. Anywho, for the average user, is it a good OS? Yeah, it is. I haven't seen any bugs in it. The way you download software, the way you can configure a computer, it's all in one area. It has a lot of benefits for the newer users. Even so, maybe even better than Ubuntu. But for someone that likes to do a lot of stuff, like likes to download stuff, that likes to tinker and tweak, that likes to read the forums and see what the other people are doing with it, there's hardly anything there for that. I mean, like, it's ridiculous. Like, I'm afraid of what would happen if I tried to even find a PlayStation emulator. Chances are I can't even use the popular one, which is bloody XPS2 XPS or PS1 or some crap like that. I don't even think I could find that bloody thing. It's ridiculous. So, oh, okay, this is the part where I've rated, I guess, because it looks like it has covered everything else that I can think to cover. So, what do I rate it? Let's see, from all the OSs I've used, I would have to give, as a backdrop, I have to give this, actually, out of 10, a solid 6. Again, for the newer user audience, it does have a lot of features. It's really nice. Can't find some stuff, so it does take a few stars off. Slow on the boot up, but it is actually fast. I haven't seen it crash yet. That's always a bonus. Yeah, I give it a solid 5. If you like video games, you like to play with emulators and stuff, you like to download a lot of crap and you like to look for very specific, very unique things for gaming and crap like that, you might have a hard time finding what you're looking for. But if you are just using it to surf the web, to write documents, just do average crap that doesn't involve video games, you're not trying to do much, then it's a good OS. Right now I am recording this video on it as I speak, so yeah. Oh. Bloody hell. Okay. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. When it comes to video editing and crap like that, I have no clue what I'm doing. I was hoping the space key would actually pause this bloody damn thing for me. But no, I can't have that. So, peace with you. Thank you all for your time. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hope I don't sound like a fucking idiot. And pardon my mouth. I do swear a lot when I'm meh. Okay, peace out. This is ickda, the happy puppy.